Welcome to our session on Adobe Photoshop's helper tools. We'll explore how these tools streamline editing processes, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in your projects. Let's dive into the functions and benefits of these essential tools. The Hand tool and Zoom tool are crucial for navigation in Photoshop. They allow you to move around your canvas and zoom in or out, making it easier to focus on specific areas of your work. The Eyedropper tool is essential for accurate color selection, while the Color Sampler tool helps identify multiple color points. These tools ensure precise color matching and consistency across your projects. The Ruler tool provides precise measurements, and the Note tool allows you to add annotations to your projects. These tools are invaluable for maintaining accuracy and clarity in your work. The Count tool is used for counting objects within an image, simplifying complex editing tasks. Understanding these tools enhances workflow efficiency, enabling faster and more accurate results. Thank you for joining this session on Photoshop's helper tools.